name is Mike Trusty. I'm the Director of Learning and Development for DXC Technology. So DXC Technology is a technology services company. We have 150,000 employees globally, and we make about $25 billion a year. A lot of what we do is train our employees in terms of building their technical capability with the technologies that we use and we deliver to our clients. So we use a lot of the technical learning that Skillsoft provides. It enables us to do is ensure that we've got the right skills and capability within our organization in terms of training. So it's a great one-stop shop in terms of the training that we need to deliver to our employees. The difference that Skillsoft makes is really with I would say, the approach to agile. So, kind of the agile approach. So there's always new courses that are coming online. They're very receptive in terms of listening to us, in terms of what our priorities are, and they'll make sure that they're bringing the right technical skills training to us in a timely way. Microlearning is really important. So if you think about people that are developing skills and they're building skills, and as technology constantly changes, as we have to solve new problems and apply new technologies, microlearning is key. So trying to get the learning into the flow of work where people can take a quick course, they can work on something that's relevant, that helps them solve a problem that they have today, is really key. It is really, really key. One of the things that we did with the labs was target to Python. Python is one of the key programming languages that is really important to our business. And if you know Python, if you know a programming language, it's a lot easier to then expand your skills and move into different areas. And so what we did with that program was took people that were at a novice level or a base level, took them through the courses, took them through the labs, and that really enabled them to build their skills and move up kind of the ladder in terms of their technical capability. At the start of the program, up to 24% had basically reported they were at a basic or a novice level with Python. At the end of the course, we got all the way up to 13-14% of the people saying that they were at an expert level. And so the labs where you could actually practice what you were doing with Python, you could actually code, you could actually write programs, enable people to move from that basic level of skills or an intermediate level of skill all the way up to some of them even feeling that they were at an expert level. So with our changing workforce, as we bring in millennials, as we bring in graduates, they've got a different way of learning. And so having a platform, having a learning ecosystem, if you will, that enables different types of approaches, different types of learning, that enables people to kind of learn at their own pace, whether they want to sit down and take 2 or 3 hours and work through something, or if they want to take something in kind of 5, 10, 15-minute increments, having the books available, having the videos available, having some of the more traditional e-learning courses that are out there, really helps us fit a diverse audience that has different ways of learning and different approaches to learning. We want to make sure that we've got the right skills and capability in our organization, and so the future is going to be dynamic. It's going to be constantly changing.